Hi guys, I'm Harry and I'm from Edencraft, and we're down here today and we've got Family Day 2023. We welcome all the public to come down and have a look at our boats, especially the current Edencraft owners who come down and showcase their boats and take everyone for rides.
I see my dreams for real come true. I will rise above the rules. Heart is pure and thoughts are clear. Not gonna mess around. My mom and daddy, they be so proud. City, please don't let me down. Starlight, can you give me the fame? Tell me the game, oh Starlight. Starlight, can you give me the fame? Tell me the game, oh Starlight.
So most importantly, I would like to say just a huge, enormous thank you to all of our customers, especially those of you that brought your boats down, that did the test drives and the joy rides, and this day wouldn't be possible without all of you.
It's always such a great time, and it's an experience for all of us to really bring our boats and show them off. So thank you very much.
Good to see people, all different states. We all get together and show off our prized possessions. And the Ma family do a fantastic day. As you can see, everything's always on point.
Yeah, 10 out of 10. Thanks very much, Edencraft.
Can't wait to be a part of the Edencraft family. They've made us more than welcome.
It's just something we all look forward to once a year, so we wouldn't miss it for the world.